Hello there, children. Welcome back to another episode of Final Paradox. Every single time. Oh my. Whoops, I used the wrong tone.
Oh no. This guy's bad, dude. Bad news.
Ah!
Oh no! No!
Sweet. Who's doing this? Stupid Enderman. I'm gonna slap you, dude. Oh, what y'all doing here? Up there, dude. That's a
Where's
crane.
that green thing? I was about to say, yeah.
Is that
What is
a
hold
shulker
on?
box?
Let's see.
It looks not as magnificent for a wool, so it has to be
Yeah.
shulker box.
Yeah, they would not put the wool over here.
I bet you this is trapped. This has to be trapped.
Wait, why?
I don't know. I got the feeling that it's like TNT or something, or dropping spiders on my head. You know how they did in the past?
Yeah.
Nothing in here.
Oh, they're getting mad.
Hey, big man. Oh God.
Look at all this griefing.
I know, man. You.
I think what we need to do is run in there real quick and destroy all spawners.
Yes, we're doing torch / spawner run.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put TNT everywhere. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, are you 50 Tyson?
Yes, that's where I'm from.
Holy crap. Oh, it's a twofer.
Ah!
Uh,
The TNT run failed. Oh no. Oh. Vex.
oh, I think it's upstairs.
Oh, I see him, yeah.
Oh, God.
You cheeky fools.
Oh, missiles following me.
Ah! These guys are fast. Ow.
Oh, what the hell? What's the portal? Home of Invulnerability 3.
Aha. 45 seconds. That's still kind of not worse, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Cooldown needs to. Whoa, that's a death shoot. Don't. I don't know, dude. Pour water down there. Oh, who's that?
Hmm?
That one knee, no knee? Go swim up here.
Do it. Don't do it, boy. It's not worth it.
Help me, dude. Put block, please. Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
That's some
God,
sketchy goon activity going on.
Yeah. We got a couple more
Oh no, I fell through a hole.
spawners. Yes, I got the spawners. Alright, get out of here.
Get me out of here.
Mining fatigue.
Yeah, I got hit by missiles.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm dead.
No, you're not. We're doing a torch run.
Oh my god. I have to get out.
Oh
I
god.
got booped off.
How am I still in here? Oh no. Stop summoning creatures, guy. Out. They call me the Vex Hunter. Ow, I miss.
Oh my god, another chain forged item.
Alright, so this room is just for forgery. They see through us through the wall, dude.
No.
That's straight ass.
Stop your tomfoolery. Oh, run!
Ah.
There's a missile behind you.
Alright, let me do the separation of powers against them. Oh my god, he shot like 20 missiles on me.
Quiet over here.
Yeah, I got 2 of them out here, dude.
I was like, damn, it's peaceful in here.
Well, shit, I'm glad. Get me out of here. Okay, the tomfoolery has ended. We still need a tank, though. Their hitbox is questionable.
Alright, spawner's cleared. Now we
Sweet.
can finally deal with the...
The tyranny.
Yeah. Wait, where did they go?
They both went outside. I took them out. I took them to a hike.
Oh, what a bunch of idiots.
Yes.
I hear the mongoloid.
Ooh, this pant is good.
Oh, hell. You don't know how to use a door and shit.
Where is he? Oh my god. He's a village idiot. Freaking trying to bust through the wall like a Kool-Aid man.
Yeah.
Ooh. He was drinking and driving. We got DUI, baby.
Mhm.
Sweet. Look at this cosmic receiver. I think that once we get the green wool, we put it right here.
Yeah. Wait, defeat the zombie mega matrix to obtain the cosmic receptacle. Where the hell is that?
We gotta defeat the Mega Matrix. Is that a fake chest?
I think so.
You see that pipe? The sewage pipe.
Yeah. Go to the big thing or go over here on the side?
Alright, let's go here on the side.
Would you? What? Oh my god, this guy hits hard. Ow.
Ah. Ow. Get me out of here. Oh, there's a 3-fer.
Oh no.
There's a 4-fer. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Oh no, where
Leave
you
me
at?
alone.
Oh god. Alright, I'm doing the run. Oh. Whoa, more bricks. Oh, dude, there's a horde of enemies coming. Straight ass. Was he like invincible or I got weaker or something?
You got weaker.
You
Ow.
buffoons. Give me the loot.
Here, give me the loot.
Give me your wallet and your phone and your everything. Your wife.
God dang. Oh, it's a 3-for.
Dude, this is some concentrated power of will.
Oh, hell!
Oh no. You. Crit.
There's a bunch of baddies in here, dude.
I can't see. Stupid Enderman. Die. Where is he? Wait, let me get my ball of fury. Ow!
Ow!
What kind of crowded place is this? My god. Oh, I broke the stairs. There's crapping away. Get out of here. I made jank stairs, dude. Oops.
Look at this.
Easy money. Oh, haters.
Oh, God!
What?
Boot me off.
Oh. Dude, stop breathing so hard, you mouth breathers. Hey.
Oh,
Oh no. This is a bad. Oh, this
oh
is
yeah,
bad.
that's a good. Oh!
Oh!
What was that?
That's where the
There's a
spawner
hole.
was. Okay. Stupid Enderman over there puking and crap. What? Oh my word. How do we
Scary,
get
dude.
all the way up here, dude? What in the world?
I know. Oh, not this guy. Not this guy, dude. Get back. Get back. He
Oh.
can boop you off.
Stop it! And money.
Nice.
Ooh. You have to exert dominance.
Yeah.
We did it.
What in the hell?
There's a chest downstairs. I'll get it real quick.
Okay.
It might be a trap, I'm not gonna lie, dude. If it spawns a bunch of spiders or lava down here.
Oh, dude, that was scary.
Here. Ooh, some good armor. Some blocks. And that's it. Walls, stairs, signs, slabs.
Yeah.
Get out of here, you piece of junk! Alright, this is some boopage going on here.
Yeah.
Oh god, who built these stairs?
Oh!
Oh!
That's a 2-for.
It's a threefer. What kind of building is this?
Oh!
That has to be Shulker.
Yeah.
Why is this place so quiet? That makes no sense. This can easily be a boss battle up here.
Mm.
Oh,
Look, boy, all
What a
on a
break.
crane.
what a brave child.
Woo!
Oh! Dude, I don't trust myself. I have jump shift, so I'm gonna let you do this. What is it?
Oh, forged.
Dang it.
Use it on the forge along with the Omega Trident of Kiyomi to obtain an upgraded version.
Fella?
I'll let Boy deal with him.
Your mistake was coming in here.
Do you want TNT?
Yeah, I'm already holding it.
You
Wait.
took all of it.
Wait, what?
Yeah. What the hell, dude? I can glide across walls.
That happened to me just now on the ladder.
Look.
Oh, what in the... Wait, hold on now. Me too!
Yeah, how?
It might be a perk that we forgot about.
Uh-huh. Oh, I know. The grappling one.
Aha!
Because we didn't want the other one.
Yes. What was the other one again? Something about
Bullshit.
torch? Oh no.
Yeah.
Let's be reasonable, fellas.
Well, it's a twofer. Wow, dude, that looks amazing.
Oh. What? Oh no.
There it is.
That's pretty cute. Fusion reactor.
Wow. That has to be here.
Where's this TNT? Oh, that was you, backstabber.
Oh, this guy's behind you.
You ruiner. Oh no. Let me get this guy out of the way. You're gonna have to shoot it.
Mm.
Yes. Money.
Yes.
Get your freaking bucket of boats out of here.
Dude, that looks amazing.
Whoa. This looks so cute.
Yeah.
Like something off of Star Wars. Like they're about to
Yeah.
jump. What is it called? Hyper travel or something.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, all 8 of them are destroyed. The threat is neutralized. Hey.
Ooh.
Not a shabby pick. I don't think there's anything up there, dude. I might be wrong, though.
You sure? It's a cool view, though.
Yes.
That's awesome.
I heard you can stand on the beams.
Go on, then.
This was Goonville, I tell you.
Oh. Oh, it's a three-fer.
Whoop.
Oh,
Oh no,
oh, I'm dead.
Oh. No, are you? Oh, what the hell?
You boot me off.
That's straight ass, dude. There's a shield. See what it says. Ow! Oh, the shield broke. Okay, I'll wait for you. The defense here has been neutralized. The path to the Mega Matrix is clear.
I need to get more blocks because it threw away my blocks.
Oh yeah. And we'll be right back. Dun, 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 dun.
There was like the green thing as like destroy something and then.
Yeah, we need the wool, the core.
Oh.
Oh, fellas are coming. Oh.
You won't. Shut up! Oh my god. That's it.
Ah, what is happening? Yes, there was.
Yeah.
Look here, dude. Oh no, I'm floating, dude.
Oh, me too. Oh no. Sneak to stop levitating.
I'm not ready. Are we going to heaven, my boy?
Yes.
Oh my god. What is I don't know who's the enemy.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna start
Hitting
swinging.
them. Oh, I see. Look where they hit them.
You.
Oh, whoops.
This is a nightmare, I tell you. Get me out of here.
What is this?
Little boogers.
Oh, that's so cool.
Whoa, I can see my house from here.
Ooh.
Little homie got the other little homie.
Who was that?
You're downstairs, dude.
What is that?
Oh my god. Oh. Spawner right there.
They got their spawners.
All right, and we'll see you. It's about that time in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oops.